guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my first completed build of 2024 and my first completed build in probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 months. This is going to be the final on the Chris Cortel Celebration of Life group build. This kit, one of the main reasons I had bought it, and I know there's a few of them out there, but it came in the tin box, and then after I had got it, I had seen some videos on it where people were saying it was definitely an older kit, but it is, but it built into a really nice, a pretty nice model actually. Now, of course, it had the usual lug nuts, hot rod garage mishaps and that type of thing, and it isn't perfect, but I'm pretty happy with it. Seems like Murphy always likes to jump in there on me on final assembly for some reason, but one of the things about this kit that's kind of strange is it gives you fat wheels for the back, but the only tires it gives you, you'll see when I pull this away, the only tires it gives you is for the stock rims. So if you want to use the wider rims, you're going to have to come up with your own tires. I kind of just went for a sleeper bone stock look. The only engine that this kit comes with is the Hemi, which is fine. That's cool. But anyway, guys, without any further ado, here it is. Let me get you in here a little closer. See, maybe get some more light on the subject. Does that help? Anyway, yeah, so there it is. Purplicious paint job. Yeah, let me show you that real quick. So this was the paint that I used. Purplicious, really nice color. And then the interior, I used the XF57. This is the buff, and this makes for a really nice interior color. I was surprised that I liked it more than I thought I would. I wasn't sure how it was going to go with the purple, but I like the effect it gives the interior. I used the Mr. Color leveling thinner and mixed it and just shot it with the airbrush. But yeah, guys, I don't know if you can see, but those wheels or those tires are really skinny. So you're not gonna get those to fit the big wide, the other set of wheels that this came with. But yeah, it's all done. I'm pretty happy with the shine. There's no clear on there. I just wet sanded it and buffed it and polished it, and it came out. I'm pretty happy with it. I went with the black hood. I kind of like that look. But yeah, we got some Tamiya panel line accent color on the wheels in there. Let me get something to point with here, guys. So that's all inside the rim here. I painted all the chrome. I hit it with the matte clear. I just think that the chrome looked a little too toy-like. I've got some more aluminum tubing coming, and I don't know if you guys can see it here on the video, but the way they did the tailpipes didn't really make it conducive to trying to drill holes in it, you know, to give it a little bit more realistic look. So when my other aluminum tubing comes in, I may just cut off a couple of pieces and put tips on there, and go with that. But I didn't do any decals. I just wanted a clean look. I also put the Tamiya panel line accent color inside the grill. But yeah, I am pretty happy with how it turned out. Let me get the hood off of here and show you the engine. Maybe easier said than done. There we go. And there's the engine. Just your standard everyday Hemi. I did no detailing, guys. This was a box stock build, so there's no wiring or anything. Everything you see came in the box. So yeah, this was a tough build. I miss my friend, as I'm sure you guys all do. Chris was an amazing guy, was an amazing builder. He'd build anything and everything. And he's missed every day. Every day I sit at the bench and I think about him. So yeah, this was a bittersweet build. I'm glad I got it done. I did the Mopar, as you guys know that follow my channel. I'm a Chevy guy. I like everything, but I'm a Chevy guy. And Chris was a Mopar guy. He liked his Dodges and Chryslers, and so I built this one in his honor. I think it's the only. Well, no, I take that back. I built 41 Willys, but other than that, everything I built. Well, and now I think about it too, I built a 32 Ford for my dad. But pretty much, yeah, everything else I build is Chevys. So I went to the local hobby shop and I got some new Tamiya colors. I don't remember who it was, but I saw somebody using this TS60. It's called Pearl Green. Now, when he was spraying it, it looked really good, and I'm not much of a green person, but there are some of these shades that for some reason I'm getting really drawn to lately. But anyway, I got that one. Another one I saw on one of the channels, again, I don't recall who it was, I apologize, is this TS87, this titanium gold. And this color looked really cool. I might use this to maybe change things up. Maybe when I do one of the hot rods or something, I'll paint the frame this color. This looks really cool. And then the last one I got is TS88, and this is a titanium silver. Again, that might be like a base coat. And then put maybe a clear color, some kind of a clear color over the top of it. I don't know, we'll see. I've got some ideas. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next on the bench. But yeah, I've picked up a few subscribers, and just want to let you guys all know I appreciate all of my subscribers, the old and the new. Part of it is I posted a short yesterday of my Camaro. I'm going to be getting the hood fixed on it and getting the back panel where the taillights are painted like a semi-gloss black, because that's what they did with the factory big block cars back in the day. Mine's not a factory big block car, but it's I just wanted to change it up. I've had the car a long time. I've got the opportunity to change it up a little bit. So we're going to do those two, get the hood fixed, and then we're going to paint the back panel semi-gloss black. It's not a factory big block, but it does have a big block in it now. And I just want to change it up. Anyway, guys, this video is getting long. When I figure out what I'm going to build next, which might be later today or sometime this weekend, I will post another video. But yeah, there it is. Final on the Chris Cortel Classic Plastic 101 Celebration of Life group build. That's a mouthful. Anyway, hope you all are having a good weekend so far, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.